Hello learners, myself Dr. Rajesh Ganorkar. I am presenting here a lecture on pyridine, which is a six-membered heterocyclic compound. Pyridine was extracted from coal tar or obtained as a byproduct of coal gasification. The process was labor consuming and inefficient. Coal tar contains only about 1% of pyridine and therefore multi-stages purification have been required and which further reduces the output. It is a cyclic compound which contains a 5 carbon and 1 nitrogen as a heteroatom in a cyclic ring. Hence, it is called as six-membered heterocyclic compound. It is also known as azabenzene. Its molecular formula is C5H5N. This pyridine contains a 5 carbon and 1 nitrogen as a heteroatom, hence it is known as six-membered heterocyclic compound. First of all, a synthetic method of pyridine. First synthesis from acetylene. When a mixture of acetylene and hydrogen cyanide is passed through red hot tube, then pyrrole is obtained. So, here the 2 moles of acetylene and 1 mole of hydrogen cyanide when passed through the red hot tube, we get a pyridine. There I have shown a mechanistic path how pyridine is obtained from acetylene and hydrogen cyanide. This synthesis have been asked in exam for many times. How will you obtain pyridine from acetylene for 2 marks? How will you convert acetylene to pyridine? Ask for 2 marks. Give the synthesis of pyridine from acetylene, 2 marks. What happens when a mixture of acetylene and hydrogen cyanide is passed through red hot tube? It is also asked for 2 marks. Then second preparation of pyridine from pentamethylene diamine hydrochloride. By heating pentamethylene diamine hydrochloride, first it gives a pyridine which on heating with concentrated H2SO4 at 573 Kelvin undergoes dehydrogenation to give a pyridine. In first pentamethylene diamine hydrochloride, on heating there will be a removal of NH4Cl and HCl that gives a pyridine, and then again after dehydrogenation in presence of concentrated H2SO4 that gives a pyridine. This synthesis also have been asked in exam. How will you obtain pyridine from pentamethylene diamine hydrochloride? This synthesis asked for 2 marks. Then next part, molecular structure of pyridine. This molecular structure of pyridine mainly involves 2 parts, that is the formation of sigma bond pi molecular orbital and formation of pi bond molecular orbital. Again, this molecular structure of pyridine also asked in exam for 4 marks. So, all the 5 carbon and nitrogen of pyridine molecule are of 3 sp2 hybridized orbitals. It means all carbon and nitrogen are in a sp2 hybridization state. Two orbitals overlap with hybrid orbital of adjacent atom, forming 4 carbon carbon sigma bond and 2 carbon nitrogen sigma bond. Similarly, third hybrid orbital of each carbon atom overlap with 1s atomic orbital of hydrogen atom, forming a 5 carbon hydrogen sigma bond. While again the third hybrid orbital of nitrogen atom contains a lone pair of electrons. All the sigma bonds lie in one plane and bond angles are approximately equal to 120 degree. It means all the carbon and nitrogen in a pyridine molecule are in a sp2 hybridization state. So each carbon and nitrogen contains a 3 lobes of sp2 hybrid orbitals. So first sp2 hybrid orbital of carbon, first carbon overlap with sp2 hybrid orbital of another carbon atom to form a carbon carbon sigma bond in such a way. After overlapping of sp2 hybrid orbital of first carbon with sp2 hybrid orbital of another carbon to form a 4 carbon carbon sigma bonds and 2 carbon nitrogen sigma bonds. It means sp2 hybrid orbital of carbon overlap with sp2 hybrid orbital of nitrogen to form a 2 carbon nitrogen sigma bond. Again, the third sp2 hybrid orbital of each carbon overlap with 1s hybrid orbital of hydrogen to form a 5 carbon hydrogen sigma bonds. In such a way, we get 4 carbon carbon sigma bond, 2 carbon nitrogen sigma bond and 5 carbon hydrogen sigma bond. And again, there is a lone pair of electron on nitrogen. So all this is about the sigma bond. Another formation of pi bond molecular orbital diagram. In pyridine, there remains a pz orbital, unhybridized pz orbital containing one electron, and these are perpendicular to the plane containing sigma bond. Means all sigma bonds are in a one plane. We have remains a pz orbital that contains a one electron, and these are perpendicular to the plane of sigma bonds. There will be a lateral overlapping of p orbital produces a delocalized pi molecular orbitals containing 6 electrons called as aromatic sextet. One half of this molecular orbital lies above and other half below the plane of sigma bond. The resulting molecular orbital satisfied Huckel's 4n plus 2 pi electrons rule, where n is equals to 1. Pyridine shows a aromatic character because all Huckel's rule satisfied means 4n plus 2 pi electron, that will shows a aromatic character of pyridine. Next, physical properties. Pyridine is colorless, hygroscopic liquid with very characteristic, pungent and distinguishing odor. It boils at 388 Kelvin and is miscible with most of organic solvent. Now I have to discuss about the basicity of pyridine. The basicity of pyridine have been asked many times in exam in such way that why pyrrole is less basic than pyridine for 2 marks. Compare the basicity of pyrrole with that of pyridine, 4 marks. Explain why pyridine is more basic than pyrrole, 2 to 4 marks. Compare the basic nature of pyrrole with pyridine. This have been also asked for 4 marks, and pyrrole is less basic than pyridine. This have been asked for half mark. As we know that the basicity of nitrogen compound depends upon the availability of lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom. In pyrrole, the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom exist in the sp2 hybridized orbital of nitrogen and participates in the delocalization, hence does not freely available to cause the basic character of pyrrole. Similarly, pyrrole, the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom of pyridine also exist in a sp2 hybridized orbital. However, it does not participate in the delocalization and available freely to cause the basic character. Therefore, pyridine is not therefore pyridine is more basic than pyrrole. Then orientation of or reactivity of electrophilic substitution in pyridine. It means we have to discuss about the electrophilic substitution in pyridine. In pyridine, from nitrogen there are 5 positions, except nitrogen there are 5 positions to attach the electrophile, and mainly the position are carbon number 2, carbon number 3 and carbon number 4, where we have to attach the electrophile. So this have been also asked many times in exam. Describe the orientation of electrophilic substitution in pyridine for 4 marks. Explain why pyridine is less reactive to electrophilic substitution than benzene for 4 marks. At which position pyridine undergoes electrophilic substitution for 4 marks. On the basis of stability, intermediate carbonium ion show that in pyridine, electrophilic substitution takes place at 3 position than 2 or 4. This have been also asked for 4 marks. And explain why pyridine undergoes C3 electrophilic substitution reaction rather than C2 attack. So first we are discussing here the electrophilic attack at position number 2, means carbon number 2. So first, for the attachment of electrophile at position number 2, there we have a negative charge for the attachment of electrophile. Then that carbon will abstract a bond pair towards itself in between the carbon and nitrogen towards carbon itself and becomes a negatively charged. So that second number carbon as becomes a negatively charged, there will attach a electrophile which is positively charged. So negatively charged carbon and positively charged electrophile, there will be a bond formation and a one hydrogen already attached to that carbon. So after abstraction of bond pair towards second number carbon, nitrogen have a positive charge which is unfavorable. From this we get a resonating structure. As a nitrogen becomes a positively charged, that is unstable, so next carbon will abstract a bond pair towards itself, then that carbon becomes negatively charged and positively charged nitrogen formation of bond. Again a carbon number 5 becomes a positively charged, so that carbon also becomes unstable, so that will require a negatively charged species. So next carbon will abstract bond towards itself and that will form a bond in between carbon number 4 negatively charged and carbon 5 positively charged, so that becomes a bond, pi bond. So again a carbon number 3 have a positive charge. After removal of proton, that gives a second electrophilic substitution product. In such a way we get a electrophilic substitution at C2 position. In same manner electrophilic substitution at C3 position, that gives a 3 resonating structure. As carbon number 3 have a negative charge to attach a positively charged electrophile. After abstracting bond pair in between carbon number 3 and carbon number 4, carbon number 3 becomes a negatively charged and positively charged electrophile, that there will be a bond formation and carbon number 4 have a positive charge. So that carbon becomes unstable. To stabilize it we get a different type of resonating structure, and lastly after removal of proton we get a 3 substituted electrophilic product. Again in same manner electrophilic substitution at carbon number 4, in same manner that carbon number 4 also have a negative charge for the attachment of electrophile, and that will abstract a bond towards itself from carbon number 3 and 4, and that carbon number 4 becomes a negatively charged and there will be attachment of electrophile E positive and bond formation takes place, and that carbon also have a one hydrogen atom. In such a manner we get such type of resonating structure. In electrophilic substitution at C4 position also, as the bond pair abstracted by carbon number 4 towards itself, carbon number 3 becomes a positively charged, and that carbons after attachment of electrophile to C4 position and hydrogen already attached to that carbon, we get a positive charge at carbon number 3 and that carbon becomes unstable. To stabilize it, that will requires a negative charge to next carbon, and that have been abstracted. That carbon number 2 will abstracted bond towards itself in between carbon 2 and nitrogen, and that becomes a negative. So negative and positive charge, there will be a bond formation in between C2 and C3, and nitrogen becomes a positively charged, and that is unfavorable. That also becomes a very unstable. So stabilize it, next carbon double bond, that bond pair will abstracted a bond towards that carbon number 6, and that becomes positively charged and negatively charged, and negatively charged carbon 6 and positively charged nitrogen, there will be a bond formation, and after abstraction or removal of proton, that gives a 4 substituted electrophilic product. As we have already seen, the electrophilic attack at second position, third position and fourth position, but in position number 2 and 4 I have shown by a red A and B alphabet, which are unfavorable because they have that nitrogen have a positively charge and hence may be ignored because nitrogen atom in this structure has only 6 electrons. Thus, attack at position 2nd and 4 gives only 2 resonating structures each. As a result, immediate in pyridine occurs at position number 3. If position number 3 is already blocked, then substitution will occur at beta position, or it is also known by position number 5. Because I have already told the position number 5 and 3 are equivalent, 2 and 6 are equivalent. Hence, the electrophilic substitution mostly or preferably at position number 3. Then electrophilic substitution reaction. First reaction, nitration. This nitration of pyridine also have been asked many times in example. How does pyridine react with nitrating mixture? For 2 marks, how will you convert pyridine to 3-pyropyridine, 3-nitropyridine for 2 marks? When pyridine is treated with nitric acid or potassium nitrate in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 573 Kelvin, 3-nitropyridine is obtained. Because a nitro group NO2 plus acts as a electrophile in nitrating agent, so it will give a 3-nitropyridine. Because the third position is more stable for electrophilic substitution reaction in pyridine. Second number, sulfonation. So how will you convert pyridine to pyridine 3-sulfonic acid? It have been asked for 2 marks. Hence, pyridine is heated with fuming sulfuric acid in presence of mercuric sulfate HgSO4 at 503 Kelvin. Pyridine 3-sulfonic acid is obtained. So it also gives a 3 substituted product. It means pyridine is treated with fuming H2SO4 in presence of HgSO4 at 503 Kelvin, that gives a pyridine 3-sulfonic acid.